everyone, this is Akshay again. Welcome back to another new video, and now the time is 8:35 and I started my ride from Electronic City to airport, and I just wanted to have a ride to airport in the morning, so I was not able to make it. So this time I found a reason to drop my friend, and at the start of the ride I couldn't make a vlog because it was in very urgent, so I thought let me start it now. Fine, I'll start it from the beginning now. अबे साला अंदर बैठ के भोग रहा है साले। अबे कितना भोगेगा? हाँ साला अंदर ही भोगेगा क्या? चलो बाय, हैप्पी जर्नी। ओके देन, बाय बाय। Hey guys, I think you people have enjoyed the video till here. Maybe even at 6:30 in the morning, the Bangalore is full of traffic, you know. I just wanted to witness that traffic. Actually, I never went through that traffic in the morning, especially in the city. I always took the Hebbal road, and from there I always came to the airport. But this time I wanted to take this road, and in fact I wanted to make it earlier, but I had no reason to come to this road again. So this was the main reason to come to this road was to drop a friend, as I told you previously. The morning start is up, and you can see the cyclists around here. My GoPro's mic is not taking a good audio like from previous videos I have seen. When I'll get the mic adapter for GoPro, well I feel it is very costly. 6,000 to 7,000 rupees. I don't know, maybe around 4,000 to 6,000, somewhere around that price point, and I don't think that's worth it. I'm finding some other alternative for this audio recording, but I'm not able to find a good audio recording. Previously I thought of recording my audio in phone and then join it in the video with some editor, but it will take a hell lot of time, and secondly syncing the audio with the video is very difficult task and very time consuming. Oh, there is a one alternative called as wow, that is audio right there. R8 man, that is R8. Wow, man, that is hell awesome. Well, I was talking.